Is the last pleats I'll be making. Alright, this is what I've achieved so far. This is it. This is our zigzag. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing, you measure another pieces of your fabric. You measure 25 inches for the head circumference. Then the width is 15. Okay, let's take 14.5 inches. 14.5, that is 14.5 inches. The head circumference, which is here, is 25 inches. Okay, then the width is 14.5. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll place it like this. Please note, if you're using the wrong fabric should be upward. Okay, if you're using an Ankara fabric or fabric that has two shades, that is front and back, you use the back side. There is the wrong side of the fabric should be facing upward, which is here. Here should be the wrong side, and here should be the right side of the fabric. So because this one doesn't have two face, that's what I'm just trying to explain so that you understand. So now I'll be placing it this place. I have my sewn part. This line I have as my sewn part. I'll be placing my fabric like this. Use my pin to secure it, because I'll be taking it to the sewing machine. I will sew from one end to the other end, so I will need to secure it first like this and take it to my sewing machine. All right, so I have my lining. This is my lining. You can choose to use any color of lining. Okay, so I'll be taking the same measurement as my other back base. Okay, I'll take 25 for the head circumference, 25 for the head circumference, and 14.5 for the length. Okay, so now I will place it together where I have the other back base, which is here. You place it together so that when you're sewing together with your lining. You place it like this. Then you pin it. I'll be taking it to the sewing machine to sew it. Now this is how it will look like. Are you seeing it? This is how it will look like. So now I'll be taking it to my sewing machine. I will run from this end to this other end. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, this is it. I'm done sewing it. So the next thing, I'll flip it to this other side so that you will see what I've achieved so far. This is it. Okay, the next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to fold this edge. You see this other one? Trim it off so that it will be equal lengths. Okay, so I'll be folding it twice. If your machine can carry it, can sew it twice, you go ahead, fold it and sew it twice. Okay, you fold it and sew it from the end, from this edge down to this to the end of the material. All right, stay tuned. So I'm done sewing that side. I'll be doing the same thing in this other edge. You sew it, fold it twice, then sew it right from the beginning to the end of your fabric. All right, stay tuned while I sew it.